Aloha, I'm Crystal Johnson. I am with a company called Hatch Blue. We are based here at Nelha in Kona, and we also have headquarters in Norway and Singapore. I'm in charge of business development here at Hatch Hawaii. A little bit about Hatch. I'll start with our vision, our overview. Our vision at Hatch is really to achieve the least possible footprint for farmed and alternative seafoods. This is for the benefit of our oceans, our land ecosystems, and of course, our future generations. We have three business units at Hatch. It is our accelerator program, our fund, and our innovation services. Our accelerator program invests in seed stage aquaculture startups. Our fund, it closed at 8.4 million, and this was our first fund. Currently, our second fund is underway. And our innovation services are for corporates, governments, and investors. Our innovation services for corporates, we help by bringing external innovation into big organizations. For governments, we help by encouraging development of local IP to create jobs and to increase competitiveness of their local aquaculture industries. And for investors, we help by with investment strategies and of course deal support. I'd like to give you a little bit more information about Hatch in this short introduction video. I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands.
So Hatch has been split up in three different business units. Hatch Investments, which operates a fund. Hatch Innovation Services, which consults corporates, governments, and later stage investors. And we have Hatch Accelerators, which is our annual acceleration program for the aquaculture and alternative seafood sector.
We actually have now more than 1,000 aquaculture startups that we are closely monitoring. We are now trying to give corporates access to our pipeline.
Hatch's Accelerator program is the most knowledgeable, connected group of aquaculture professionals and alternative seafood professionals out there.
So we're excited to solidify that position and further build out our expertise, our brand, our network, and have a community growing around us.
So that's a great overview of what Hatch does and our three business units. A little about Hatch's presence here at Nelha. We established our headquarters at Nelha in 2018. This was our third office. We, again, have offices in Norway and Singapore. So our third office was established here at Nelha in 2018. And we kicked off our third cohort in Kona in August of 2019. At that time, we invested in 13 companies, and we took them across the globe, meeting with mentors and investors. I'd like to show you a few highlights from that accelerator.
Today is an exciting day because we not only launch here in Hawaii, but we also do the third cohort, the largest cohort. We go all around the world.
I'm Neil Anthony Sims.
So Jan Yoshioka.
Björn Halvarsson.
And every line it runs, its course. But be that as it may, I'll see you in the end, my friends.
So as you can see from that exciting review of our last cohort in 2019, Hatch's role in expanding cold energy use to industries at Nelha and beyond is really by investing in these new innovations, these startups who are utilizing the deep sea water and the facilities at Nelha. Currently, there are three companies who have stayed here in Hawaii to run their businesses and hopefully will expand by hiring local talent and attracting new talent to the state of Hawaii and to Nelha. In fact, one of these startups called Symbrosia is growing a beautiful red seaweed called Asparagopsis to use as a cattle feed ingredient that will help reduce methane and help offset carbon emissions. Really, Hatch aims to attract startups like these, investors and corporates who are looking to innovate and test their ideas here at Nelha that utilize the cold energy and the world-class facilities. I'd like to share some thoughts from one of our founders at Hatch on the location and the facilities that there are here.
I call it the playground of aquaculture entrepreneurship. You have so many different species there. You have different water quality there that you can mix according to your needs. So it's really that playground where you can test if your technology is maybe also applicable to other species or how it behaves in the different environments.
As you've seen, our partnership with Nelha is to help catalyze aquaculture innovation and investment in Hawaii and to help put Nelha on the map worldwide. Hatch is a huge proponent of cold water energy, and our headquarters at Nelha is a testament to our commitment of sustainable aquaculture in Hawaii and using cold water energy to do this. We hope that you'll join us for the live Q&A session in February, and the details will follow for that. I'd like to say thank you on behalf of all of us at Hatch. Aloha.